Have you ever opened your bank app and instead of instantly closing it in panic, you actually felt calm? No stress, no overthinking, no mental math trying to figure out if buying coffee today means eating ramen the rest of the week. Just peace. Most people think that moment only happens when you become a millionaire. Some say 6 figures is the real turning point. But what if I told you the number that changes everything is way smaller than that? There's one milestone that completely shifts the way you think about money, and once you hit it, your entire financial life starts to feel different. It's not $100,000. It's not even $50,000. It's just $15,000. Now, before you think that sounds too small to matter, stay with me for a second. Because the reason this number is so powerful has nothing to do with being rich. It has everything to do with how money actually works in real life. Most people think wealth is built slowly, dollar by dollar forever. But that's not really true. Wealth is built in thresholds. Invisible lines that once you cross them, the rules of the game completely change. And $15,000 is the first real one. Before this point, saving money feels exhausting. It feels slow. It feels pointless sometimes. You save a little, something unexpected happens, and suddenly you're back at zero again. That's the cycle where most people stay stuck for years. But once you finally break past that first real milestone, something strange happens. The same effort suddenly starts working better. Your money actually starts growing, and for the first time, it feels like you're not just surviving anymore. But here's the part most people never talk about. The real change doesn't happen in your bank account. It happens in your brain. When you don't have savings, your brain is in survival mode. Every decision is based on fear. You take the first job offer you get because you can't afford to wait. You stay in situations you hate because leaving feels too risky. You say yes to things you don't even want to do because you need the money. It's not laziness, it's survival. But once you build real savings, especially around $15,000, everything shifts. You stop asking, how do I survive until the next paycheck? And you start asking, how do I grow this money? That's the moment when wealth building actually begins. And this is where the math finally starts working in your favor. When you invest small amounts, the results feel tiny. 10% on $1,000 is just $100. Nice, but not life-changing. But 10% on $15,000? That's $1,500, money that showed up without you working extra hours, without overtime, without burning yourself out. That's the moment you realize something powerful. Money can make money faster than you can. But honestly, the biggest thing you gain isn't money. It's confidence. Because saving $15,000 from zero isn't easy. It means you stayed disciplined for months. You said no when it was uncomfortable. You kept going even when progress felt slow. And once you prove to yourself that you can do that, everything changes. You stop stressing about small purchases. You stop feeling trapped in bad jobs. You stop thinking like someone who's always behind. You start thinking like someone who's in control. And here's the truth nobody tells you. $15,000 won't make you rich overnight, but it will completely change how you think about money, risk, and your future. Your second $15,000 will come faster. Your third will come even faster than that. And one day you'll look back and realize the hardest part wasn't becoming wealthy. The hardest part was just getting started.